Welcome to Platform Demos. In this episode, we're going to focus on the reputation management tool. This tool is very important for local businesses that count on reviews to be able to drive new leads to their business, as well as to manage all the reviews that are coming in for each one of their locations or organizations. The great thing about this tool is it aggregates over 60 different review sites, bringing them all into a centralized platform so you can manage them all in one place. It obviously has all the big ones that you would need, such as your Google, your Facebook, your Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc., but also gets very niche as well. To access this tool, simply log into your platform, click on the Review Management tool to get started. As you can see from the front page here, you'll be able to see how many total reviews you have, what your average rating is, and just some more information about how you're doing when it comes to reviews for your business. As reviews come into your queue, you can actually see them all and respond to them right through the platform. Say I want to respond to this Yelp review. I simply click the Respond button, and I can quickly and easily respond to those reviews right through the system. I can also save templates, so if I want to send something similar for each time that I get a 5-star review, I can quickly and easily do that. Submit your review and it will go live on your review sites immediately. The tool also has functionality to generate new reviews. Click the Generate feature here, and you can see that you can send requests for new reviews right through the platform. You can do it one-off here by filling out this form. You can also bulk upload requests by just clicking this button and walking through the steps. Review requests can be sent by text here, and you can see how the text will look and edit your text information right there. It also has an email format with a couple different options. If you click this customer satisfaction option, you get an email that looks like this with 2 buttons, one saying lived up to them, one saying fell short of expectations. If your customers click lived up to them, they'll be taken to a place where they can write a review for you. If they were to click fell short of your expectations, it will take them to another page where they can write a message to the manager instead of leaving a review. By deselecting customer satisfaction, you can also send out emails that look like this. You can also choose which profiles you want more reviews on. Let's say I want more reviews on Google, so I will move that to the top. I don't need more Yelp reviews, so I'm going to remove that, but I do want some TripAdvisor reviews. I click that, save my page settings, and as you can see, my email has now been formatted. The system also comes with a landing page that you can use to drive people to as well. Many people will grab this link and use it as a button and say their email marketing newsletters. That way they can drive new reviews right through their email newsletter. As you can see here, I can come in and I can change the background. I can edit my landing page to say and look however I want. And again, I can change those review sites that I want my clients to focus on. There's also a host of analytics within the system that you can check in. Activity report to see how your reviews are doing. Review response feeds to see how well you're responding to your reviews. You can look at the requested reviews that you've sent and see how people are engaging with those. Plus a whole bunch of other reports that you can automate and send to you or your team whenever necessary. There's a few other resources that come with this, such as the website widgets. Website widgets are great to be able to put on your website to really showcase your reviews. As you can see here, I can select what kind of reviews I'd like, 5-star only if I'd like, what review sites I want to use, and how many reviews per page I want to look at. I can also turn on my rating display, request links, these buttons right here, and the review feed. There's a couple different other options you have as well, some buttons that you can put on, some links to drive more reviews right from your website. That's the review management platform. It's a very important tool for a lot of businesses that rely on reviews to help not only drive new traffic, but also increase their SEO value and create trust for your business. Want to learn more? Click that link in the video description to schedule your product tour today.